very pigmented, and that looks beautiful. My Pills is next. It's a little bit of a shimmery, oh, there you go, now you can see it. The next one is Tanacon. Oh, that one's really cool. Next shade is called Diet Root Beer. I tend to love the more brown tones, so I'm kind of like enjoying those ones for sure. Just a Theory. Oh, that one's pretty. I don't know how well you can see it, but that's pretty. Whoa. Spiraling. And the signature Conspiracy color. Pigment. Food videos. Gonna go down this way now. Trisha. Whoa, look how bold that one is. Cheese Dust. Flaming Hot. What's the Tea? Kind of like that one actually. It's a nice subtle soft blue. Next is Diet Cola. Kind of like that both of the pop colors are diet. That makes me laugh a little bit. Oh, that one's shimmery. I don't know if you can see that, but that is shimmery. Not a Fact. Sleep Paralysis. There's my dog. Illuminate Tea. And the last shade is My Rides Here. So as you can see, very good pigment on these. Pigment's holding up really, really well. In fact, it's kind of like staining some of my fingers. So definitely loving the cool like look of this palette and the pigment of the colors. Now my friend also gave me permission to do a look with these, and since I'm not really going anywhere, I thought it would be fun to do something bold. So stay tuned, we're gonna do something bold.